Hi, good evening. Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have placed gallery of image here in this folder gallery as dynamic snippet. Here we have text file have the same name of the folder, so they pair together. And here we have dynamic instructions to place the content of gallery. If we open this text file in VS Code, we will have this dynamic content at first, which means place the content of paired folder, or place the content of the folder that have the same file name or the same pure file name, the file name without its extension and other parts. And here wildcard asterisk. And for the rest we have dynamic styling. The first one determine that the image have width 25% of the text frame, and for the height we have exactly 40 millimeter, and it applies only on the height distort what it's called, distortion the ratio, because if you don't write only, the width and height will be changed together, so the previous setting 25% will be overwritten. Here we have object style applied, the object style name photo, and here paragraph style gallery on the paragraph where the image is placed. So if we delete these, if we insert the text cursor inside the text frame and place gallery.txt, not by dragging and dropping, I think this will not work. It's not work. You need to right click on the text file and select place in InDesign to place as dynamic snippet. Or you can place by the same place command in Adobe InDesign, file place or Control D. And then go to the folder here inside workshop testing, then test F, and this is the gallery txt So we can place like that. And the same thing happens. It's placed as live snippet. And as I told many times, the live snippet marked by non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning. So this non-printing anchor text frame displaying the location of the external text file. Now we want to talk about online form. So here in the do you know we can change the height of the document to match the text frame itself. So let's make the text frame the same as the page, and let's add margin. And now let's select the start marker, and from live snippet select dynamic content to modify the text file here. Or do you know, let's edit the text file directly in Adobe Branch or in VS Code. Let's edit in VS Code. And let's add here at the end fit to fit the head, then column, then page height, fit page height, and that will change the page size to match the text frame. What happens? Okay, what we want to do now, we want the text frame to auto size for the height only. So when the text frame shrink to the photos height, we have dynamic style to change the page size also. So let's try to update the snippet. I think we need to add something here. Outer, to target the outer text frame. Let's try again. Okay, exactly. Now, depending on how many photos we have, the page will be changed automatically. So if we add more photos, to the gallery. Let's repeat some of the photo. Control C, Control V. And now let's update. Update the document. Live snippets, update all. See, automatically expand and reduced. Now let's focus about online form. We have here the project folder, test F. Let's add the text file from new submenu, new, then online. This special text file have settings for the online form, and when you double click on the file, what happened now? Because we created the online key file, Adobe InDesign automatically updated, but we have here problem in the snippet. Let's go back to workshop. You know, let's close gallery here. And let's place again. Place in InDesign. Let's save the document. Do you want to check in? Yes. Let's wait until the PDF file revealed, displayed in Adobe Bridge as a mark for the finish of the processing. Okay, done. Let's go back to workshop and let's double click on the online key file. Okay, now we have the gallery, the photos, but here we couldn't add more photo or remove, and just we can upload a new replacement for the photo. To change that, we can add ID markers, and by the way, this label assigned automatically to determine that this photo used in in a document. So let's add ID capital letters at the beginning of the file, and also let's delete the photo, and let's keep only one photo as a placeholder. So always use this command from TreeShade menu, move to trash. Here it's warning that this image used in a document. So we know trash all. And now let's rename this to ID capital letters, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as placeholder for random capital letters and digits when we repeat the item. And here let's put the file name in square brackets so the end user can change in the online form. Okay. Now let's refresh. See here, now the end user can change the file name, the displaying part inside the square bracket at the end of file name. And we can duplicate, upload a new photo. This the uploaded file name, original name, you can modify. And by the way, you can add multiple files at once. So you can select here multiple files. Like this. And you can rename if you want. Now let's put Adobe InDesign on the right. And let's update to see what will happen. Now this form supposed to be submitted by end user online away from your computer, but the request will be sent to your to the local server on your computer. Adobe Bridge will receive the command and open the InDesign document if it's not opened already. The content will be updated through the live snippet and exported and closed. Okay. Let's remove one photo to make only two rows. Let's update again. We added in the dynamic style something that changed the page size to fit the content. So now the page size itself will be shrink to two rows. Automatically. Okay, that's it. We faced a problem when we modified the text file in VS Code and updated the snippet. I think that there is something conflict. So let's try to modify from Adobe Bridge by double-clicking the gallery.txt. If you click yes here, open paired folder, the folder that have the same name as the file will be opened, and this for easy browsing. If you have hundreds of files and the logical relation, you can navigate the folder, and here in filter you can display only text files and browse the folders implicitly. So if you click yes, open paired folder, the folder will be opened. And if we click no, the text file will be opened. Here we have instructions because the text starts with double colon, so you get instructions about dynamic content. And for the dynamic content, the first line for the galleries photos, which is inside the folder that have the same file name, fn, and we display all photos, asterisk. We set the width of the photo 25% of the text frame width, 40 millimeter, applied only on height to keep the width 25% despite the ratio. Here we apply object style photo, then apply paragraph style gallery, and then the last line, and that what the interesting line, we fit the outer page height. So we fit the height of the page to the outer frame. So here the text frame, the parent text frame of the snippet have auto size, and the page have dynamic style. Okay, that's it. Don't hesitate to ask any question about TreeShade. It's totally free and you can install from Adobe Exchange. From Adobe Exchange, go to Creative Cloud and search for the software name TreeShade. It's totally free and it has an extension CEP extension for InDesign, Bridge Talk with Photoshop and Illustrator, and Startup Script for Adobe Bridge. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.